Well, hello again. Welcome back to Bitter Swede Garage. I'm Andrew, as you may or may not know. Still kind of putzing around the shop because my space is currently unavailable due to a bad engine in a 2019 Expedition. Don't buy one! So, just trying to think of some other things I can do outside that won't be too cumbersome. And yeah, let's go outside and check it out. This is my 98 GMC Sierra that I got from my nephew. Traded him for that 83 Capri. You can find that in some other episodes on our channel there. Anyway, show you what I'm working on. Power steering leaks. See if you can. Right there. I couldn't quite find it before because it had this plastic shield on it, which was basically just deflecting the spray down, and I took it off and it's making all my engine parts shiny now. So I think when I turn, it's really spraying out of there. It's probably, yeah. It's got the underside of the hood there. So fortunately, the fitting, the female side, faces forward underneath the pump. So I don't have to take all of this off and the bracket for the exhaust, all this junk to get the power steering pump off. I think I can get it from down underneath. So went to O'Reilly's, got a new pressure side hose. I think it's the right one. So let's get after it. Well, other than being a two-wheel drive truck and it's hard to get underneath, let's see if we can. See, all the shiny stuff is actually a rust preventative coating. Yep, there you are. See that shiny 90-degree elbow with all the oil leaking out of it? That's the one we need to get to, so I'm really happy it's not behind. A lot of them are on the backside. Not this one. Upsy daisies. All right. See if I do this one-handed and strip that nut. It's either really loose or just slipped out of there. Nope, it's just really loose. All right, well, that's cool. See if I can dump this all over me. I do have a mixing cup. See if I can set the camera down. That would be smart. But I'm not really accused of that. Okay. Somewhere in there. Aha! Fortunately, because it leaks so much, there's not that much in there. We'll get that out of there. Gotta go to the bathroom, Mikey. It's got the sky drain model. All right, so just gotta get down in there somewhere and crack the top one loose, hopefully. All right, using the wrong tool for the job, I was able to got my crow's foot here, 18 millimeters, but I broke it loose without stripping it out, so that's a win. Apparently I need to get some metric, what are these, spanner wrenches? I don't know. But I got it off. All right. They're not exact. Actually, that's pretty dang close. So that's gonna work. Don't forget about your O-rings. That will make you a very unhappy camper when you get it all bolted up and it still leaks. What the heck? So I'll put those on real quick. Easy peasy. Got those installed. And just like my mom always said, you're never gonna accomplish anything. Hey kids, you won't get high? Oh no. All right, I kind of cleaned it up a little bit down on the threads. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I'm putting this on the pump side. So as I finagle this in here, hopefully it doesn't get a bunch of junk on it. Well, that seems to be the right move. It's so greasy down here, but that kept all the dirt off. All right, I got it. I had to do this weird crunch and like to reach up in here, kind of move the top around because it's such a tight bend, but it's in there. You know, everybody always worries about the inside of the ball joint, but make sure you grease the outside of your ball joint too. All right, got the top tightened up. I guess after looking at this, it's quite the bend, you know. After almost 30 years of bending it like that, I mean, your hose would probably give out too. We're still talking about power steering, right? Well, that one looks good. Well, it works. I guess I don't need to ride around with this here anymore. I should probably clean this up someday. But it works, hooray. Might as well shut this off. Man, you seen the price of fuel lately? Woo! Doggy. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for my little power steering fix today. Thanks for watching Bitter Swede Garage, and we'll see you next time. It was one power steering line. Why did it make such a mess?